Semicon. It means semicon means semiconductors production. Semiconductors chips production in India. The central government has encouraged the production of semiconductor chips in India by establishing first unit in Gujarat Sanand town with the help of Micron, which proposed to establish 10 units. First unit has started in Sanand, Gujarat, Sanand city of Gujarat, Sanand town of Gujarat, and which has started its production, and it has delivered the first chip from this Sanand manufacturing unit. Means this is production and shipment has started from the Sanand manufacturing unit of semiconductor manufacturing unit. This semiconductor manufacturing unit will meet the growing demand for artificial intelligence field, demand for memory and storage capacities. The more than 5 lakh capacity, 5 lakh square feet capacity has been enhanced in the phase 1. The company, the manufacturing unit in Sanand expects assembly, testing of tens of millions of chips in 26. Means the Sanand manufacturing unit will expect assembly unit, testing and tons of millions of chips in the year 26. What is said is India is ready and reliable and delivers to the world, to India as well as the world. The Micron, the American memory chip maker technology, is proposing to invest 22,500 crore in semiconductor facility in Gujarat. So with the help of the Micron company, the first manufacturing unit in Sanand in Gujarat started its production, and its first chip also came out of the unit for delivery. Also, the Micron company is proposing to strengthen its presence in hardware also. The semiconductor assembly testing unit, marking and packaging facility, and industrial hub of Sanand will become India's semiconductor mission as a part of India's semiconductor mission. The unit in Sanand is one of the 10 projects to be established in India. This first unit is started its production in Sanand, that is the town of Gujarat. The semiconductor chip converts advanced dynamic random access memory to NAND flash memory with the help of Micron's global manufacturing network into finisher memory and storage products. So, what happens in Sanand semiconductor manufacturing unit? It converts advanced dynamic random access memory and fish memory wafer from Micron's global manufacturing network into finisher memory and storage products. So this is the benefit, this is the upgradation of facility available to enhance the productivity, to reduce the defect, and also to improve the profitability of manufacturing units in India. Means technological development, technological adoption by manufacturing units will enhance the productivity and also will reduce the wastage, reduce the damage, and also will increase the reliability of the production and acceptable to the consumers, not only from India but also global consumers. The Indian manufacturing units are able to win the confidence of global consumers with the help of good quality performance, cost, and delivery on time, as promised. So this is making the Indian manufacturing units to attract global manufacturers by facing the competition from the developed economies, developed manufacturing centers from the world. Means India is able to become a manufacturing hub, not only from not only ancestral, means existing technological based mechanical based manufacturing units into technological based semiconductor manufacturing. Also, India is becoming a manufacturing hub by starting its production from the first unit, first out of 10 units. The first unit is established in Sanand, Gujarat city, and which has started its production of semiconductors, of transforming the, of transforming the, of improving and transforming the memory and storage to finisher memory and storage product. So this is what happening. Transmission is happening even in semiconductor sector also with the help of Indian government support. Global companies are investing in India to have their presence in the market and also to improve their capacities to not only production capacity but also winning the confidence of global consumers.